Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E22 and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen on this Motorola. First of all, you need to open one of your apps and then select this square button. Now click on the icon of your app and tap on split screen. Now you can pick one of your apps from the background or select home button and click on one of them over here, like Play Store. As you can see, after that, I can operate in both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, just drag the first tab upwards or downwards and then tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!